welcome back to Ask Nutrition is Deepa's easy, quick, flavorful and good for you recipe videos. Today I'm going to tell you how eating potatoes every day is going to help you keep the doctor away. Why? Because potatoes are full of nutrients. I know that everybody thinks potatoes are the one which cause weight gain and diabetes and all that. Let me tell you guys, that is a myth. There's no whatever science behind it, because potatoes have been around for very long time, and when it comes to nutrients, they are full of nutrients and flavor and color. Just look at this beautiful palette of potatoes here. Red potato, I have this big the golden potato, purple potatoes, white potato with purple inside. All kinds of potatoes are available. And why they are good for you? Because they are very low in calorie. What makes the potatoes high in calorie, when we take this beautiful low calorie high nutrient root and add butter and oil and salt and all kinds of things in it, which make them which basically cause us to gain weight. But potatoes as eaten, even if you eat 3 pounds of potatoes, and believe me, some of my patients do eat a lot of potato and they lose weight, and sometimes they just say that, on this potato starch based diet, they just feel like a candle. The weight is just melting off and blood sugar is just getting reversed. So what's the nutrient content of this potato which causes the weight loss? First of all, like I said, they are very low calories. A pound of potato has just 400 calories or so, and they have, believe it or not, a cup of potato or medium sized potato is going to give you 4.5 grams of protein. Everybody thinks potatoes has no protein, but it is a source of protein. It has 4 grams of fiber. It has vitamin C, 25% or more of vitamin C. Now, the important thing to remember here is all the nutrients are going to be in the skin of this potato, especially these micronutrients like vitamin C, B, potassium, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, niacin, and folate. So on some level, the potatoes can be a complete food. Nobody will develop any deficiencies if they switch to a potato-based diet, along with, of course, the fruits, vegetables, and some legumes and a little bit of nuts and seeds. So that's all I have to say about these potatoes. As you can see, there are a variety of potatoes available in the market. Try to get organic as much as you can. Now you can bake them, you can boil them, you can roast them. I like to make sure that they are boiled or baked rather than roast, because it's the moisture content of the potatoes which is going to make you feel full. Just try eating a baked potato with your meal or with your as a snack and see the satiety value of it. I consider potatoes under my satisfying starches category. I hope you will start eating potatoes, but again, without adding unnecessary high caloric other ingredients like fat, like butter, oil, margarine, and sour cream and yogurt on top of it. Just enjoy a plain potato with some seasoning, some salsa, hot sauce on top, and literally it's going to make your day go really well. So I hope you will get into eating potatoes and not be afraid of it. If you have any questions, please reach out, please comment, please share, please subscribe. I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.